Okay.
Uh, the request is made for implement on behalf of Save Goa committee, and the request is made. The court has granted the time to file application for proper implement application and fixed it on the 5th of April. So we will file the proper application in pleading and bringing out to the authorities notice all the illegalities which are being committed by the by the by the appellant, and file our proper application, and we will bring to the notice. Thank you.
What about the stay?
Stay which was granted before we being coming in and appearing, the when appeal was filed without we were not knowing about the appeal, so that status quo order which was granted has been maintained till the next day.
आज
I
हे
creating a
आशिल्लें ते कितें डिसायड करपा
So he
खातीर
has filed one application who the curator. He has filed the application. According to the notice was served on him, and all the three parties were caught. And ते करून he has sought some time curator. So ताणे एक appeal करपाक जाय, intervene जावपाक खातीर. Curator आसलो ताका notice धाडली, ताका आपयलो, but he has sought some time.
So for the intervention, it will be decided on April 5th. Whether he will be
He will
allowed
be
to.
filing before that. He will be filing a intervention application, and other party will reply, file their reply.
So the appellant has already objected to the intervention right now.
It is objective, not really they will be going to, it is not intervention, they are objective for the caveator.
Okay.
He says that according as per the law, caveator have to serve the notice of caveat on the appellant also. He says that it is not served on him. That will be confirmed. I have granted time to confirm from your side. As per the act, if the caveator, the appellant is not served, then caveator is defunct. That cannot be happened.
Okay.
Accordingly, this matter will be heard in this court as per the Civil Procedure Code and as per the Goa Panchayats Act, and the decision will be taken by this court.
The matter will this next hearing is fixed on the 5th of April.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
चॅलेंज केन्ना जालो
Challenge allowed 21st April, January. So caveat allowed somewhere in 20th of February. So the party might have not approached before this court asking for some relief, and when caveat has been filed and the notice has been sent to them. Accordingly, all the three parties have attended today, appeared today, and the time was granted in pursuant to the request made by the party.
Thank you.
Yeah.